Everlast Polymeric cladding siding is one of the best ways to make your home look fresh and stay protected without all the fuss. So, if you're thinking about upgrading your home's exterior, start with figuring out what kind of look you want, because Everlast siding comes in loads of styles and colors. Make sure you check the durability, because this stuff is supposed to stand up to crazy weather like heavy rain or freezing cold, which is awesome. When you're ready to install, clean the wall surface first so everything sticks properly. Don't forget to measure twice and cut once, because no one wants to waste materials or mess up the fit. Also, if you're not sure about the tools or process, ask for help or watch some installation videos online. Trust me, it helps. Keep an eye on the seams and joints to make sure they're sealed tight so water doesn't sneak in and cause damage. If you want to keep it looking sharp, just hose it down every now and then. Super easy maintenance. Lastly, get some quotes from local pros to compare prices and find the best deal without breaking the bank. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Everlast Polymeric cladding siding is skipping proper surface prep, which leads to poor adhesion and peeling over time. Fix that by always cleaning and drying the wall before installation. Another common issue is ignoring weatherproofing around windows and doors, which lets water in and causes mold or rot. Sealing those areas with quality caulk solves this problem. Lastly, trying to DIY without enough knowledge can lead to uneven panels or gaps that ruin the look and protection. Hiring a contractor or getting solid advice beforehand can save you headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to find new clients and grow their business without all the hassle.